Welcome this video. Smart scrap wood project easy craft. Craft wood is one of the most versatile material for craft, whether you're seasoning earth or a blank look to expand your create side. Smart scrap wood project are an extend a way to upcycle and make something unique. Build and some easy and fun idea to turn some overlook wood price into stream craft. Rustic wood. Rustic wood are simple to make and can add a rustic charm to your living space. All you need are smart wood silent or cut off for long price. Sand the edge to appear and clean to project the wood for water salad. You can even personally theme by plants design unique with burn tool for palette material need smart woodcut sandpaper pad or wood bring tool key hold a key hold is both product and style. Take a smart wood board, use sand its a attacked hold or need for hand key. You can add a decoration element by sandwood like home or key attacked smart need for a variance look. Thank you for watching this video.